Okay, class, now that you already have the idea on unsay naaana ang mga characteristics during this periods, I have prepared a very simple activity lang. Now it is called the Act It Out Greek in Motion. Ang inyong lang buhatan na class is, I will group you into two groups. And automatically, this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. And then you have to choose 2 to 3 representatives yung mag-anin diri sa tunga, kaya sila ang mag-act out diri sa ilahang mabunot nga ngalan or pictures na gibutang diri sa atuang board. Ilahan na awaton and then kato mga the rest of the members tagnaon ninyo kung asa to siya nga period. And then you only have 60 seconds para ma-ansiran tanan. And then also you can say pass if dili gid kaya, and then pwede ra pagbalikan to ninyo if na pong may remaining na time. And then also class, ang inyong score is makabase lang sa atuang criteria. So kindly read the criteria first. Okay, kindly read this first.
Accuracy of answers for 20 points. Accuracy of representation 30 points. Teamwork and cooperation 30 points. A total of 100 points.
So kung kinsa to makuha sa pinakadako nga points na ay reward nga madawat og additional nga points sa quiz karon. So are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So thank you everyone. Nag-enjoy mo sa activity?
Yes!
Okay, very good. So nakita mo sa nako, no? So, unsa man ako pa may pangutana, mga alibot-bot nga kailangan i-clarify based sa tuwang discussion. Saman, ako'y mangutana. Okay, ako na lang ang mangutana. Akong first question, what have you learned sa atuang lesson today? So may natunan ninyo? Yes, Arame.
I learned that mga Greek artists, ma'am, is ga-focus sila sa beauty sa art, and also ga-focus sila sa balance, like sa texture, sa color, and also na batayan ko na kung ga-focus sila sa mga human body.
Okay, very good. So let's give her a hand. So, another question. So, unsa ganito upat ang major periods of Greek art? Yes, J. Mark.
For my major is Hellenistic period, Geometric period, Archaic period, and Classical period.
Okay, thank you. So, the third question. Why is it important na ma-analyze na ito nila ang mga form, ma-analyze na ito ang mga techniques sa mga different periods during this time or sa Greek art? Yes, Marina.
So studying this topic, ma'am, is very important kaya ginapakita sa ato ang changes sa Greek art sa lahi-lahi nga period of how it reflected the ideas and life of the people way back then.
Okay, very good. Let's give Marinel a hand. Okay, for the last question. Why is it important man class na may studihan na nato nga topic? O naaba siya relationship karon sa ato ang modern art? Anyone? Yes, J. Mark.
Important siya, ma'am, kay nagkuhan ulit siya, may pakita siya sa development sa art during sa Greek period niya. Para sa karon na ito mga kuhan is inspiration nga gikan sa ilang art na.
Okay.
Nag-exist po na karon.
Okay, very good. So let's give J. Mark a hand. So very good class mo, nakasabot to the mo sa ato ang lesson today. So, before ta mag-end sa atong discussion, I think nakamantay time, we'll have our quiz muna. So, okay, for a while class. Okay, so for the quiz, it is a Greek art quiz, true or false lang. So write your answer, write the correct, if the statement is correct, write true. Right and write false if the statement is wrong. So muna na inyong buhaton and you only have 5 minutes to answer the quiz. Okay, are you done? Can you pass the paper in front? Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. So, before the mag-end, I will flash first the assignment kung sa inyong buhaton at ipasa ninyo next week. So, kindly read it, please, class.